Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out the all-new Redcon1 MRE, and they come out in Twinkies and Hostess cupcake flavors.
Crazy.
Yeah, I've seen a couple other brands roll out these flavors, and I've been dying to try them, so I'm excited about this one today.
Yes. We were talking about Twinkies ahead of this video. You've had a Twinkie.
Of course.
I've had a Twinkie. Somebody else hasn't had a Twinkie. But, I mean, was a Twinkie back in the day like a, was it like something you ate every day, or was it like a big snack?
Like if I went on a field trip, my mom might buy me some.
Yes. I heard they like changed Twinkies lately.
You know when they first started, they were banana cream?
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
And then the war, there was a shortage of bananas, so they switched to the regular cream.
That's a good historic education for you. So this, of course, this is a whole food protein meal replacement drink. 230 calories and a whopping 40 grams of protein in here. This is going to be for people that want, that need protein maybe throughout the day, or a lot of people are going to drink this post-workout. All right, well, I'm excited to try this, and we shook it up, and it's cold this time, which is always good.
What was your favorite Little Debbie thing?
I used to like those Christmas trees.
Those were good.
Yeah, but that probably only came out during the...
So that was like a zebra, basically it's a zebra cake in Christmas tree form.
Yeah.
You haven't, she hasn't had those either.
Oh
Oatmeal cream pie?
We're going to just bring some of those in. That's just nuts. I haven't had a Twinkie in probably 30 years. This is not what I remember a Twinkie tasting like. Have you had one lately?
You know, I like this. It's not, it's hard to get spot on because you got to get like the crumb cake and then also the cream. And I'm not really getting, it's just kind of a different spin on vanilla.
Yeah. I mean, if you drank that, I'd tell you it was Twinkie, and I told you it was a snack food, would you have got Twinkie? No.
That's why I think Jordan said the Hostess is mostly chocolate. So he said if you mix this, you kind of get the filling with the chocolate.
And it's still good. I'm not saying it's not. It's just, I don't know if you're expecting like that childhood Twinkie to come out. I'm not sure it does.
Yeah, we got this one with whey protein and pea protein. I used to think this one was beef, but I guess not.
No, but yeah, still good. It's a little bit change up from your regular vanilla or your regular, things that are coming out.
And whopping dose of protein in there.
That's a lot of protein, yeah. It's a little heavier, what's in there, 130, 150 calories. Yeah. So it's 230, so it's a little bit more, but a really great combination to right after your workout to get a nice heavy dose of protein. And you got 7 grams of carbs, and you got 5 grams of fat. So pretty good for post-workout, but tasty.
Yep.
So we don't sell this. We'll probably link to Redcon for you. But if you've had it, let us know what you think. Post it down below. Otherwise, that's John. I'm Jeff. Thanks for watching.